Have you ever seen someone open a terminal window and suddenly everyone in the room assumes they're a hacker? Meanwhile, the person is just trying to figure out why their Wi-Fi stopped working. Some beginners think hacking starts with breaking into systems. In reality, it starts with understanding how computers, networks, and websites communicate. And here's the funny part. Many cybersecurity professionals use simple commands every day that look boring, but are incredibly powerful. Today, we're exploring 5 beginner-friendly commands that every future ethical hacker should know. Not because they'll turn you into a movie hacker overnight, but because they'll help you understand the foundation of cybersecurity. If you enjoy cybersecurity, ethical hacking, networking, and technology content that actually teaches real skills, like this video. Comment which command surprised you the most. Subscribe because we're building future cybersecurity professionals here. Code 1. ipconfig. Know your network. Before defending a network, you need to understand your own. One of the first commands beginners should learn is ipconfig. This command displays important information about your device, including IP address, default gateway, network adapter information, DNS settings. Think of it as your device's digital identity card. Cybersecurity professionals often use this command when troubleshooting network issues or investigating connectivity problems. If you don't understand your own network, understanding larger networks becomes much harder. Code 2. Ping. Test the connection. Imagine calling a friend and asking, "Can you hear me?" That's essentially what ping does. Command, pinggoogle.com. This sends small packets of data and waits for a response. It helps determine whether a website is reachable, network response time, potential connectivity issues, packet loss problems. This simple command is used daily by network engineers, security analysts, and IT professionals around the world. Sometimes the simplest tools solve the biggest mysteries. Code 3. Tracert, traceroute. Follow the path. Ever wonder how your data travels across the internet? This command helps reveal the journey. Windows, tracertgoogle.com. Linux, traceroute.google.com. The command displays the network hops between your device and the destination. You'll see routers and checkpoints your traffic passes through before reaching its target. Cybersecurity professionals use this information to investigate latency, troubleshoot routing issues, analyze network paths, understand internet infrastructure. It's like tracking a package from shipment to delivery. If you're still watching, type cybermodon in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe because the next commands become even more useful. Code 4. Netstat. See active connections. Your computer is constantly communicating with other systems. But what exactly is it talking to? Command, netstat an. This displays active connections, listening ports, connection states, remote addresses. Think of it as opening a window into your device's network activity. Security analysts often use this command when investigating unusual behavior or monitoring systems. Awareness is one of the strongest cybersecurity defenses. You can't secure what you can't see. Code 5. nslookup. Investigate domains. Every website has an address humans understand, but computers use IP addresses. nslookup helps bridge that gap. Command, nslookup.google.com. This command can reveal domain information, DNS records, IP addresses, name server details. Cybersecurity professionals use DNS investigations regularly during troubleshooting and security analysis. Understanding DNS is a critical skill because much of the internet relies on it. When DNS fails, entire services can disappear from view. Why these commands matter? Many beginners search for secret hacking codes. The truth is that cybersecurity is rarely about secret commands. It's about understanding systems. These simple commands teach you networking, troubleshooting, information gathering, cybersecurity fundamentals. Every advanced cybersecurity concept builds upon these basics. The strongest professionals aren't always the ones using the most complicated tools. They're the ones who understand the fundamentals extremely well. How to practice safely. The best way to learn is through legal practice. Try home labs, virtual machines, cybersecurity training platforms, networking exercises, ethical hacking lab. Always practice on systems you own or have permission to test. Responsible learning builds responsible professionals. Every cybersecurity expert started somewhere. Most didn't begin with advanced hacking tools. They started by learning how networks work, how computers communicate, how systems connect. Master the basics first, because the stronger your foundation becomes, the easier every advanced cybersecurity skill will be later. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.